Happy Friendship Day, and welcome to this podcast series of Decor Beats. We help, we are a startup and we help make home beautiful. So today we have a very special guest over here, Niharika. Hi, Niharika.
Hi, Megha. Thanks for inviting me and happy Friendships Day.
Thank you, Niharika. So we want you to give your brief introduction.
Yes. Hi, friends. I'm Niharika. I'm a homemaker and professionally I help startups as a professional freelancer for their branding.
Okay, and Niharika is very prestigious customer of us. She has done a lot of shopping from Decor Beats, and she has a very beautiful duplex house here in Bangalore. So this series will be led by our marketing specialist, social media marketing specialist, Vedika. Over to you, Vedika.
Hi, I'm Vedika. Nice to meet you.
Hi,
Um,
Venkata.
as you know, we are a female led company who loves speaking to other homemakers and other people, other women who have gained inspiration from other places and decorated their own home with their own personal touches. I know that you're a freelance marketing consultant, and I know that one of the places that you have helped out was the Shah Rukh Khan a fan club and how to reach and build his brand image over the um, over the country and the world. Can you please tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, I'm a member of SRT Fans Association Bangalore. Uh, we love Shah Rukh Khan. We love everything about Shah Rukh Khan. So we try to do things as he do. We love to pose as he pose. So we do everything what SRK does basically, and we want people to lead by his example, like his hard work, his passion towards his work. So I want as in this medium, like everyone should have passion for their work, whatever they do. Like SRK has passion for his work, and he is today what he is. He's a king. He's king
Yeah.
because of his hard work, his passion. So any profession it is, it may be any profession. Even if you are a homemaker, with that passion and love, if you do that things, that you are queen of your home. You make that beautiful home into palace.
The first Hindi movie I ever watched was Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and I've loved him ever since. This is since I was like, I think 3, 4 years old, but yeah. So
Wow.
yeah, that's a special part. But
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. And we are starting our podcast on a friendship day.
yes. I you said everything you do with is with a passion. So do you apply this to your home decor and everything as well?
Yes, as a couple, I and Krishna, we had a lot of opportunity to travel across the
Okay.
globe. So whenever I travel, I stayed in many houses, I stayed in many apartments, I stayed in many hotels. So wherever I stay, I bring something from there. I mean, I like something out of there, and I
Wow,
just
that's so
take it.
nice.
Yeah. So I when I was designing my own house, I had a dream that I want an interior decorators who should help me, not with ideas or something. Whatever I have in my visualization, I want them to make it for me and give. And
Oh,
I'm very
okay.
blessed to have such interior decorators with me who were not imposing their ideas on me. They were listening to me. They were understanding my sketch, and they were designing according to my needs, and giving it to me.
So
So
basically bringing your vision to life.
yes, correct.
So
So it
what
was
would be your color scheme?
see my house. If you talk about my house, we have not decorated it based on some theme or something like that, some color. No, it's like you can just say that it's like extended version of our personalities. We have just brought
Oh,
onto
okay.
our house. We are more of a traditional family, so I wanted to keep it intact, my traditional perspective of that, so that my next generation can carry on that. And along with that, we also have as I've told, like I've traveled many places, I wanted some portions of that what I liked to have in my house. So for my kitchen, if you say that I have used mostly the white. It's very
Okay.
hard to maintain white in Indian kitchens, but yes, I wanted everything in white because, and I wanted everything like अगर हम कुछ यूज कर रहे हैं घर पे तो मतलब उसे I wanted it to be very precise. Like, I don't want very heavy kind of things. I want everything to be minimalistic, but at the same time, it should have that grandeur and it should be very user friendly.
Okay. And
I have
also a reflection of you.
correct. So
Okay. What is like one piece or one like room that you particularly love, and can you tell me a little bit about the design aspect of that room?
yeah, sure. The most beautiful part of my house is my puja ghar.
Okay.
Yeah, I decorate it like every day.
Yes.
Every day new to me. So it's like a living thing in my whole house. So it's not it's evolving day by day. Like every day something new gets added to it and it looks more beautiful. That's the most peaceful place I find on this earth, where I cut off from the whole world and I sit there. It's in the center of my house,
Okay.
and I give it a lot of prominence to it. I have used a lot of brass, copper, silver, gold to make it more beautiful, and that place is very, 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 very close to my heart in my whole.
Okay. Yes.
Every portion of it is yes, it is, but this particular puja mandir, what I have designed it, I have mostly used teak for making whole puja mandir.
That's really nice. Another thing is, during the pandemic, did you find yourself like looking at spaces in your house and changing a few details and just constantly changing pieces?
Yeah,
Or
my decor is constantly changing. I'm such a person who constantly change. I mean, my tastes keep on changing. Today
yeah.
I want something in this place, tomorrow I want something else in that place. So it's like constantly changing. So I told you about my puja mandir. I keep on changing my puja articles too, so that it brings new life, it brings new energy to it. So I love doing that. Yes, I do, and I believe in that. Like you cannot have something stagnant for you. It's your home. It's not a hotel room, right? I want
Yeah.
my home to be a home. So if you
That's
come down to my home, you will not find it like you have come down to some service apartment or a hotel room, which is all intact. Everything is perfectly. No, it's a home. So it's like we are living there. So my house is living. So I believe in that kind of decor, which is evolving day by day. It's also living,
okay.
becoming more beautiful with that evolution.
Yes, and like obviously you go through phases where you like one color scheme or like one type of item. Yeah.
If I talk about my kitchen, then I wanted everything in white. So I wanted the platform of the kitchen to be of a very delicate color. I don't wanted those browns, grays, coppers in my kitchen. I wanted some lively color, which should be very bright. At the same time, it should not be very um, eye catchy or something like it. It hurt your eyes. No, I don't want that. But I wanted some sophisticated color, so I went with turquoise blue for my kitchen. So that's an Australian quartz. What I
Okay.
got from my kitchen, that's called turquoise blue color. That's the most precious part of my house.
Like the marble top is bluish.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay, wow. I've
So
never
it's
seen
a
that.
mix of white and blue. So whenever I enter into my kitchen, yes, it's very pleasant. And I wanted it to be an open kitchen. I always wanted
Okay.
like people who come down to my house should feel free, that they can. It's their home. Like I don't want anything closed. So my house is normally very open kind of house. So my
Yes.
kitchen is open. So it's like we have like every quarterly we have lot of pujas at our place.
Okay.
So, so for that, we have like invites like 50, 60 people coming down to our house and having lunch, dinner. So I want that space of kitchen, dining, everything to be so open that, it can accommodate people. At the same time, everyone feels free. And it's not a hidden place of my house. It's like open place. Everyone,
Everyone feels at home and comfortable to walk around. Okay. Do you like having plants and everything in your house? And
I love it. But because of our traveling too much, at Bangalore house, we cannot maintain much of plants. But yes, we have a very beautiful house here at Hyderabad, and we have a very beautiful garden. You can say a mini forest here, and we have one beautiful
okay.
backyard. Yeah, for that, I have bought that cycle stand from Decor Beats.
Okay.
I've decorated in my backyard. No, it's a beautiful piece in that corner, and it looks very elegant. I mean, I love gardens, but yes,
Yeah.
I need to have that kind of space for having garden, which I don't have at Bangalore house, and
Okay.
I cannot maintain it there because I keep on traveling. So here we have a gardener, so he maintains our garden, and it's beautiful.
It's like, do you like the product and do you think that it adds something to your garden?
Yes,
The cycling.
yes. See, what I like about Decor Beats is I want everything to be customized. No, nothing you can just buy and keep in your house. I don't believe in that because every house is an extension of yourself. So you cannot get
Yes.
something of yourself, available readily in the market. So what I love about Decor Beats is they are ready for customizations. They are ready to understand you. They are ready to speak to you, understand your requirements, and then design it according to your need, your thought. So that's the best thing what I like about it, and they have in many sizes available. This cycle stand,
Yes.
whatever. So the corner what I was looking for, I got something which they have in many sizes, and I bought something which would really go good with that particular corner of my house because every house has its own corners, its own lengths, its own breadths, so it should be customizable. So I cannot go buy something. It's very rare cases in my house in Bangalore you find that I have something bought directly and kept it. Everything is customized because every house is different. You cannot just go and keep it. It's very rare something like that happens.
Yeah, like you said, your house is an extension of you, so it has to reflect you. So it
Correct.
has
So
to
it
be
has to
suited.
be customized. So I
Yeah.
believe in those customizations, and Decor Bits is one place which gives you that freedom.
Would you like to would you be open to trying our different products that we offer, like our different planters and everything? Yes.
Yes, yes, definitely. I have like I've liked many of these Diya Urli sets for
Yes.
my. I say right every day I find something new in decorates for my puja room, and I love that the most. And yes, as I told you, plants. Yes, I love plants, but maintaining it is difficult because of my
Yes.
travel. So if something like maintaining free plants, it doesn't have life. That's like again a plastic ones, right?
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, hopefully once I settle down somewhere permanently, we'll have a lot of plants.
Another thing that I would like to ask you is, do you like try to do like DIY projects for your house, or is it not?
I Can you please repeat your question?
Do you like DIY projects for your house, or like do you see something on Pinterest and then try to remake it, or try to find a way to get it, or do you seek inspiration from somewhere else? Is basically what I'm asking.
I told you, right? I travel a lot and I take inspiration from many places. As
Okay.
my kitchen, I said, in many of German houses, they don't have kitchen. If they have kitchen, uh, they have it to that detail point where you require nothing else. So it's
Yes.
like, so I have learned that there that if you have a kitchen, it should be very detailed kitchen,
Yeah.
and it
Very
should be
specific.
like, but it should not be like you should have many of cupboards or many of this electronic items or what you don't use actually. So while I was designing my kitchen, I was having in my mind that what I use, I want that. If the length of my mixie is this, I want that the cupboard size to be this. I don't want it to be this big. Not for
Okay.
everything, for each and everything. And I have taken that inspiration from there. That whatever you use, it should be in your house. Whatever you don't use, please no. We don't have those racks in our house.
There's too limited space, so you have to put everything that you need and
Yes,
specific to
and
don't waste. Yeah.
I don't like to have those storage spaces above
Yeah.
your cupboards. Our cupboards are like from floor to ceiling, the same cupboard, and we use it. That's it. I mean, I don't have any storage spaces in my
Yeah.
house anywhere. Not even in my kitchen.
Okay.
If we have 3 dining sets, I am bored of one, I give it away, I buy one more. It's like that. My clothes also, if I'm bored, I give my clothes away, I buy. So it's like that. It's like always I don't have any clutter. I don't
Okay.
believe that tomorrow it would be used. I don't believe in that concept. So my
Okay.
decor keeps on changing every day.
That's nice. It was very nice speaking to you, and it was very nice to learn about your decoration style and how it's constantly evolving according to your mood and your feeling on that day. And I love to hear about your like your puja mandir and like how you keep changing the decoration around and how your colors were incorporated, which was brass, gold, and silver. And yes, it was very nice speaking to you.
Thank you.
And we would like to know your experience also with decor beads and the things you have placed in your house. 1, 2 lines for that also.
I was telling you about my kitchen. So there is one brass masala dani, which I love from Decor Beats. The other one is that chakla wheel, and that's just like the most beautiful thing I've seen. And it complements my kitchen awesomely. Like it's very, very beautiful. The artistic way of it, the traditional designs on that. Everything is very traditional in Decor Beats, and it actually somehow I connect to it because it brings out my extended personality, what I was speaking about little earlier. So I feel it has that kind. So I got connected to it much with Decor Beats, and yeah, I wish you should. I mean, one suggestion from my end: you should have more for kids' bedroom.
Okay. Sure, we will take that into consideration.
Yeah.
Thank you, Niharika, for spending time.
You know, it changes every moment.
Oh,
That's the decor area where it changes with every moment. First, it was all minis. Now it's all Barbies in her room. So the pinks, the purples, the lavenders. I mean, it's all keep on changing.
yes, yes.
That's a place where you can
Yeah.
think of.
Yes, we will take into consideration. Thank you so much, Niharika, for sparing time with us and for giving Decor Beats this lively comments and the things you bought.
Thank
That-
you. Thank you. I'm also very happy to be here and on a very special day.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.